Everybody, it's time for module 3. Now that you've done one-dimensional motion, now you get to move into two-dimensional motion. So yes, now you're going to get to throw a ball to your friend. You're going to get to kick a ball through the air. You're going to get to do things like that. Now you no longer have to just play catch with yourself, just up and down. Now you get to do something more fun. There's going to be more time spent on vectors in this section. Vectors are super important, so understanding the addition and subtraction of vectors, both graphically and mathematically, are super important. Super important. We're going to be using that a lot in your upcoming modules once we get into the next sections. That ability to take those vectors, break them into components, and then put them back together. Well, break them apart, add them or subtract them from each other, and then put them back together to create a single vector. Super important. You're going to be looking at magnitudes, directions, and components when dealing with those vectors. And that's all built into that two-dimensional motion, because now we're going to have things that are moving like this. So they're going to have x pieces and y pieces. So get familiar with your trig functions again, sine, cosine, and tangent, and their inverses, being able to take that right triangle, break it into pieces using sine, cosine, and tangent, adding them together, and then putting them back together and creating a new hypotenuse and angle using sine, cosine, and tangent, or their or arcsine, arccosine, and arctangent. Okay, have fun.